Guys, welcome to IT Networking. How to fix Netflix error code NW-2-5 in Windows, OLX, PN, Smart TV. So I have a 5 solutions for solve your problem. Firstly, you restart your system, then check your internet connection. If you're using a router, the internet working or not, and bypass your router. Change DNS. How to change DNS? Go to the control panel. Click to internet and click to internet service center and click to internet properties and double click to IP version 4 and DNS. This is DNS, so this is also available in the TV, smart TV, all type TV are available. This DNS server features. You just enter to 8.8.8.8 and click to tab and 8.8.4.4 and then OK and then OK and then check. So this is 4 step and check network permit of the Netflix stream. So firstly you restart your device, check internet connections. If you give a manual IP, so this error actually 100% your internet connections have any internet corrections, so show this error, otherwise no have any issue. So check and have any support, so please comment me, I will support you.